Now, WGAL News 8's Weather on the 8s with meteorologist Christine Ferreira.
Good morning. It is 6:38. We just had a beautiful sunrise. The sky was lit up all pink. Now it's quickly fading here as clouds gradually thicken up for us. But we are seeing some areas of fog due to the clearing overnight. Watch out in Lebanon, Lancaster, and Chester counties for some areas of dense fog. Here's our News 8 Storm Team forecast. Increasing clouds this morning, calm winds, mild temperatures. By 9 o'clock, we'll be at 52 degrees. For the afternoon, I think we'll see some showers, say late morning, early afternoon. 60 will be our high, and then this evening we get another chance of showers, round 2 of 2 this evening, between 5 to 9 p.m. That's as a cold front comes through. A couple of those showers could have gusty winds. I'll show you that coming up. Tonight, cold front is through, gradual clearing behind it. It'll be breezy, so that'll prevent any fog from forming up. Winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with temperatures in the 40s. Tomorrow, looking for sun to start, then increasing clouds. Another quick moving system could bring us a few showers. Very active weather week here, but we're not seeing any very heavy rain or significant cause for concern in our forecast with all of this rain moving through. Here's your current temperatures. 46 in Lewistown. We have 43 in Lancaster, where we've been clear for the past few hours. Clear in York, too, at 38, but those clouds will be increasing. It's 44 in Carlisle and 48 right now in Chambersburg. Live look at Super Doppler 8. Showers that came through overnight, those are now long gone. We're looking at our next round of showers here right over West Virginia, and that will visit us late morning, early afternoon. That'll be followed by a cold front that comes through this evening. So let me give you the hour-by-hour details. Clouds thicken right now. There's your rain this afternoon. That's around, say, 11 o'clock for Franklin County and about 2 o'clock clearing out of Lancaster County. Then we get round 2 that comes in this evening. Few little gusty thunderstorms with that line. Cold front passes and we're done with it for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, nice sunny start to the day. It's going to be breezy, a little on the cool side there. But then we get a chance for a few more showers Wednesday afternoon. Dry weather as we head into Thursday. For the end of the week, I see windy conditions returning. So if you didn't like the end of last week where we had those really strong winds, could be a repeat performance at the end of this week. Severe weather risk today. The Storm Prediction Center has highlighted us in a marginal or very low risk of severe weather. Like I mentioned this evening, those thunderstorms 5 to 9 p.m. A few of those could contain gusty winds as the primary threat. There's a look at your predictor estimated rainfall totals from today and tomorrow. Most spots picking up just about a quarter of an inch to a half inch of rain. 7-day forecast unseasonably mild. Next few days cooling off and turning windier at the end of the week. But hey, it doesn't last. Sunday's high is 54. Monday, we're back to 60.
Yeah.
That's 15 degrees above average.
It's just the season we've had. I mean, it
I
really
know.
is. It
Par
just
for the course,
rolls
really.
in.
You know, when it finally gets to be where it should be, we'll be like, what's going on? what's with this cold weather?
That's going to be interesting to see if this milder weather, warmer than normal weather, continues into the spring and summer.
Right, and what that
right.
means for spring and summer.
Right.